We get a lot of random DIY requests, and one of the ones we get over and over is, what do I do with my old table leaves?
It seems like you have table leaves that you never used in the table, or the table got sold at a garage sale, you forgot to send the leaves with it, so people seem to have table leaves more often than not.
And we are going to show you a great idea on what you can do to upcycle that table leaf and actually make it art in your home. We like the idea of spelling out a fun word, and we kind of call this junk letters or salvage letters, and then putting it on your wall. So what we've done is we have gathered some random junk pieces out of our barn, because as y'all know by now, we don't really throw much away. So we have lots of random junk pieces. And this is really a fun time to get really creative and think outside of the box. One big tip with this though is that you do want to lay everything out to make sure you have enough space for whatever word you're trying to write, to make sure you have all the right shapes to make each letter.
We've gathered a bunch of different things that spell out Rome.
For our O,
And we found this in the barn. It is a motorcycle sprocket, and we think it makes a great O.
old wood, you can almost make into any letter. And then we thought to layer this just to give it a little more interest. So we got an old yardstick and cut it to the right length and layered it on top of our A. And then we thought it would be fun just to add a little bit of kind of quirkiness to our letter to use a paintbrush on here. We're kind of going with the...
We don't even throw away our old paintbrushes.
Yeah. Proof that we don't throw anything away. No piece of art is complete without
Glitter.
glitter. So once you get it all laid out, you need to eyeball it, make sure you're happy with the spacing. Are you happy with the spacing?
I feel good about it. Do you feel good about it? So, and the way to attach these is we're going to use a nail gun because we have that and it'll be easier for us, but you could also just drill through this with a drill, or you could nail them.
Yeah, you could do this whole project with just a drill.
Yes.
So almost done. We thought because it says Rome and it's really cute that it would be fun to make this even functional. So we thought adding little cute hooks for keys is the perfect way to kind of top this off.
These.
We're going to take a commercial break while Amy drills in these double rope hooks, and we'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, so let's see what it looks like. So now you just attach a hanger, and it looks like Rome was built in a day.